System.io landing page tutorial, how to create a landing page with System.io. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be building a simple landing page that can help you in driving more sales and more viewers to your product or services. So let's get started. Now to get started, you have to click on get my free account on System.io and you can sign up with your email address. You can sign up completely free and I already have created my account, so I'm going to be logging in. And now once we sign into our dashboard, we're just going to confirm our confirmation code over here. And now once we have signed in or created our new account on System.io, you will see a bunch of tools on the top. So this includes your basic dashboard, contacts, emails, blogs, products, as well as automations. But what is the most important thing that we are looking for? Well, we are actually looking to get started with building our landing page. So to build our landing page, we're going to go into funnels. And what you're going to do is you're going to be building a funnel that has a landing page. You can click on create and just add any type of funnel name. I'll just name this as a sample funnel. And then the product or the purpose of this is to build an audience. And I'll just click on save. Then I'm going to click on sample over here and you will see from here you will have a funnels list. So your funnels list is basically your landing page that you're going to be building with System.io. So this is called a squeeze page. You will see it on the left and you can click on funnel settings to build a funnel differently. You also have the option to view your funnel as well as a marketplace offer. You can add multiple different steps in your funnels as well. We can add multiple different landing pages, but we're going to be building one simple one. And I will remove the thank you page. So this funnel is only going to be, this is one page funnel, which is just the landing page. And from here, you have a bunch of different templates that you can pick out from. So you guys can see you have a few options. You have stats-based funnels, lead-based funnels as well. I'm going to be using this template, so I'll click on select over here. And this is empty. No, we have our squeeze page. This is going to be our page name, and I'm going to change the template page to this one, like this. And now once we've done that, we're going to rename this. So I'll just rename this to Emmeline. And then I'll click on edit page over here to get started with the System.io page editor. This is the basic template, and we're going to be working to build this with our personal preferences. So first off, we have the first row. In this, we don't have a background image inserted. There is no borders on this. And then we have a useful link section, a menu bar. Now, what I want to do is I want to take this item from here and I want to click on delete like this. Now, once I have deleted the pre-existing logo, I can insert my own logo by clicking on media on the left and dropping it over here. And now once I do that, I can click on the media section and then I have the image file that I can link. So I can click on upload over here, click on select file, and I will be uploading a logo that I have created. Yeah, this is the logo that I'll be using, and I'll just click on open over here to open up our logo image and click on insert. Once I do that, I have the link so I can link my logo to a particular page as well. Below that, we have the image size as well. Now, I don't want to customize that, and I want to go into our next section, which is this basic section. So in this particular template, we have a background image border. You guys can see we have a simple background image, which I am going to change into a background color. I think I'm going to change this into a really nice muted pink. I think that will look good like this, a deep burgundy kind of pink. And then for our header, I want a black background. So I'll click on that and then choose a black background color like this. Once I've done that, we have our next section that we can design. So let's say for our particular landing page, I want everyone to be led to the new collections page on this particular website. So I just want to copy this and I will add our basic info. So let's say we want to add something like along the lines of the most elegant sweater for elevated ladies, like this. And then after that, we can add, other info. Look stylish, chic, and smart with the newest cashmere, like this. Below that, we have a button. Now, our button is always going to be a call to action. So you're going to click on your button and you're going to click on settings on the button, and this will open a URL. And I will paste the URL that I just copied, and I want it to open in a new window. Below that, you have your margins, you have other options, you have the color. So I'm going to customize the color of this particular button like this, and then I'll change the button text as well. I change the padding on this, and I'm going to change the button text as well. So we have this button over here where it says pre-register, and we have our button text, which I'm going to add shop now instead, like this. And below that, we have the font types and other buttons. So now I'm going to delete this other button in our template. And on the top, we have our header option. So in the header, we are going to remove any of these sections we don't need. And on the right of this, I want to insert an image. So I'll just drag and drop an image, and then I'll just upload this image from here, like this. Now, below that in our landing page, we might want to start building our second section. If a section is not relevant to you, or it's not going to be something that you would be using, you can just go on ahead and go into that section and then just click on delete, and the entire section can be deleted if you click on the green icon. We're going to delete these sections that are not required by us because we are more so focusing on a shop-based website. I'm going to move on into our next section. Let's say I want to link a YouTube video. Let's say, look at the styles, like this. And then we have this YouTube video inserted. We can click on settings and then change the URL of the YouTube video. And I'll insert a different YouTube video. So I'll just use this video from here, or let's use this fashion video. That is our website. I'll just paste that over here, and you guys will see this is a video about makeup. Below that, we have some other sections in our templates, which are not required by us. So I'm going to delete these. You can build them like we built our first two sections. And once you have completed your edits, you're just going to click on Save Changes on the top right. Once you do that, you can click on this eye icon, which allows you to preview your landing page. Click on the eye icon and you will be able to see what your landing page looks like. This is what our landing page currently looks like. It looks pretty nice. Now I'm going to exit this, and then in the back, I'll add like a contrasting blue background to make it look a bit more interesting, like this. And now that we have completed this, I'll click on Save Changes and then just exit it. And once we've exited our website, we can copy this to our clipboard, and we'll just paste this link in. And this is our current little landing page with System.io. It's really that simple and easy to build with System.io, and it can be a great way to boost sales and get more leads. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.